Okay, this is the part 2. We're gonna drink water. And Sprite. So let's add more water to make a infinite soda. Still tastes like Sprite. Here is how you make infinite soda.
Nagpapalabas na yung mayonnaise, may cheddar cheese. Ano mayonnaise? French toast? Ano mayonnaise? Mayonnaise? Ano nga may cheddar cheese? Hindi ko sabihin na yung brand. Hindi ko lang. Nalimutan ko. Nakita ko sa Lazada.
Let's just eat this later. I hope this is not open. When I leave it under there, it keeps opening. So when I do this, it's closed. Not even open.
Hanapin yung isa nito.
Oh, come on. This is so hydrating. Taste the soup. No. Okay. My position is so stupid. Okay, shingaling. Shingaling, so... Okay, I almost dropped it. Luckily, I catched it. Shingaling time. April,
No.
I will eat this later.
Sige
So I
na.
will leave it in my hole.
Bahala ka pagkain.
So hungry. Okay. My four stomachs are full. So 6. I don't know what's 6. 6 more. 6 more stomachs. Okay, let me show you. I have a original stomach here, 2 stomachs, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10 near into my neck. This is my apple atom. So I have apple atoms here, apple atoms here, and apple atoms here. So I'm a superhuman. So I also have a lungs here and lungs here and lungs here, and I have kidney here and kidney here and kidney here. 3 kidneys. So I have heart here and heart here and heart here. 3 hearts. So I only have 2 ears and 2 eyes and 2 eyebrows.
Ha?
When I have third eyes, I will be superhuman.
Kinalahati ko yung kanin.
But I only want
Okay.
2.
Yung kay Bren, binigay ko na eh. Because busy mag-video. Oo, busy mag-video. Di po ubus.
But I'm eating. Sprite hit the plate and then drink the Sprite. Okay. Water hit the plate and then open it and then hit the plate 3 times. And then put the takip in here. Takip. Put the takip in here. Okay. Drink it. After that, hit the plate 2 times. And then roll it and then round the takip in the soup. And then hit it in here. And then hit your Sprite in here and then close. And then hit the water in your head and then hit the water in the plate and then boom. Okay. I think I have a 100.
Yung mga affiliate, ang dami April. Kaya actually, i-try mo. Alin na mauna. Mahina 1,000 dun eh. Isang araw.
Appreciated.
Maka 9,000 ang isang araw.
Yun nga, hinihintay ko yung sa ADA.
Ano ba itong mga ganito dito, friend?
Talaga?
Baho? Ba't ba baho? May kakain ako sa mesa ang baho. Ano yun?
And then stop!
Nakakabiri naman ito.
My food is almost finished. So I will be eating this one right here.
Basta kaya ka.
No, it's not. Look at this. Just kidding. After I finish my food, it's almost finished.
Ang baho. Ano ba yan?
Paano mabaho? Amoy bulok?
Ay, amoy mo.
Ayoko nga, mabaho eh.
Okay.
Libre to, oh. No, pwede kumain ng isda dun sa kapit doon na mesa eh.
Ano ba yan?
Kasi lubog yung silya ko.
Ano ba?
Okay. So don't hold the cup like this. Except hold it like this to be a pro.
Sampatel ba na yung ano mo?
Talaga naman.
Video mo.
Oo.
Price just 100.
Yun na nga eh, tapos mahahaba. Oh.
Talaga naman.
Eh, ang 5 minute, 2 minute video lang, ano na eh. Ilang bites na yun.
Ano ba yan? Okay, so don't hold the cup like this. Except put your finger at this tip. Okay. That's why you can't drink.
Hindi kasi yung nga dali ko dito nung nakakamay ko.
Ano ba yan?
Kain ako dito eh.
Malamoy ko na.
Baho yung sinaw eh.
Okay.
Oh, hindi mo narinig.
Eto na!
Huwag ka tuloy, napakasiga mo.
Ano na siga, Lola?